Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And basically guys, you can tell by the title of this video and because you managed to find it in search, this is going to be showing you today how to get CDKeys discount codes and promo codes for 2024. If you don't know, I'm sure you do know, but I'll just give you a little quick synopsis. CDKeys allows you to purchase online content and also games and things like that. Basically anything that you have to usually purchase a digital code, CDKeys can provide you that at usually a discounted price. But I've managed to find a CDKeys discount code that's going to save you $100 off your next order. So basically guys, if you want to purchase a few games off CDKeys, you can apply this code and pay pretty much nothing. So let me record my mobile. You need to pick up your mobile phone and open up an internet browser on your mobile phone and follow these steps. Go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So you want to make sure you go directly to the website. So pause the video and just copy exactly how I've wrote this. And you got to go to Top Dog Codes. Now, on the search bar at the top, it says here, search below to find what you're looking for. Well, we're looking for CDKeys. So want to search CDKeys and you're looking for the coupon codes and deals page. Click on that and let's see what deals and codes are available. So you can see on my screen here, these coupons are limited, but there is a ton of them. And you can see we can get a $100 off CDKeys promo code, and there is also a 50% off your next order. So that could potentially save you even more if you're doing a large order. So you want to click on show coupon and choose the code you want to receive. And this is going to pop up, guys. We need to unlock our promo code. Obviously these codes for CDKeys are pretty valuable, so people create programs to steal basically all of the available codes from Top Dog Codes, so this just prevents that. So let's unlock our promo code. So tap unlock code. Now the next step in the process is very important, so just make sure you follow all of the instructions, and yeah, this will unlock your code. So you're going to see this screen here that says verification. Essentially guys, we need to complete 2 tasks on this page to unlock our code. Now these tasks are all completely free, and yeah, you basically have to choose 2 of them, and you can see in the small text below each of the offers that there is a description telling you just how to complete that. So this one at the bottom is a survey. You can see it says 750 towards JD Sports. Now I'm in the UK, so I've got obviously UK based tasks. If you're in the US, you're going to get US ones. This says enter your email and complete the steps. So this is basically a free survey, which is super easy, and I just have to answer some questions and input my valid and correct email address, because it does also send me the code. So I've got to enter my email into there, and then I'm going to go and choose a second task as well. So I'll pause the video because we're already almost at 4 minutes, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so that took me around 10 minutes. I just finished off that survey that you saw a few seconds ago because of the edit, entering in my correct email and what have you, and then I just went ahead and downloaded this game at the top that says download and then complete level 8. So basically I had to download the game. It took me to the App Store where I opened it up and just played it until I completed level 8. It's a fun game, and of course it's completely free, so I didn't mind doing that. So yeah, basically just complete 2 tasks. It doesn't matter which 2 you choose. So if you press your tabs button, now if you've done everything correctly, you should see this CDKeys coupon tab. And when you open it up, it will now reveal my CDKeys promo code. And that is it. I can simply copy this, and when I add items to the basket on CDKeys, be it games, whatever, as long as it's over $100, I can apply this code and it's going to remove it off. So these codes, guys, can only be used once, so I'm going to be using my one in a few minutes. So you're going to need to get your own at Top Dog Codes. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on this video. And yeah, these are brand new codes for 2024. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.